I am disaster management bot. Crashed car detected. Let's rescue them.
Oh, our car had a severe accident. Can you repair them?
Yes, all our advanced robot can fix them in short time. Let me give you the replacement parts which were broken in the accident. Here is a new car chassis. I can replace broken parts of the car and make them brand new. Here goes a new wheel. Let me give this car a new chassis. Let me screw all the parts together. Thanks to all the robots, all our cars are fixed.